innovative living shoreline restoration at a Maryland state park brought a big surprise only a year after its creation. Young oysters took hold on the stone headland structures at the end of the new modified tombolos. This innovative dynamic shoreline practice uses the regenerative design. Not only does it work with the tides to prevent erosion and protect land, but also creates habitat for fish, shellfish, and plant life. Increasing oyster populations has been a big deal and a state priority in Maryland. Not only because of the efficient ways that oyster communities clean the water, but for the seafood industry they support. Oyster reefs create habitat for a multitude of marine life, including two of Maryland's iconic species, the blue crab and striped bass. It was once thought that oysters would only survive on oyster reefs, with young oysters settling on shell. In this case, young oyster larvae settled on sandstone, which was installed on this project. As the larvae, called spat, attach to a hard surface, they receive chemical and environmental clues. If the surface is not suitable, they are able to reverse the process and settle elsewhere. Oysters typically grow 1 inch per year depending on the salinity of the water. The Chesapeake Bay loses an estimated 2,600 acres of oyster reefs annually due to silt and sediments that cover them. Combining the benefits of shoreline protection, habitat restoration, and pollution reduction helps everyone, especially these little guys who have found a new home.